G'day and welcome to episode 3 of GQ Experience. This episode I will be unboxing and giving you my first impressions of the Fieryred 13,000 pound winch. I purchased the winch from Vic Off-Road for $460 and it came the next day, which was awesome. I'll post the link below for that one. Okay, so I've just finished unboxing everything. $460, I'm pretty happy with everything. The quality seems pretty good. Will be very interesting to see how it goes out on the trails though. So it comes with your mounting bolts, your winch controller, the module to make it wireless, your Fieryred, your winch hook, and obviously the cable if you need to plug it into the winch for the controller, and then just your negative cable. So with the winch controller, it's actually pretty cool. All the buttons feel really good quality. It has a little light on the back as well, which is quite nice. The Fieryred just feels like aluminium, quite nice. The hook feels pretty good. I'll probably end up replacing this with something a little bit different further down the track though. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so here's the winch itself. I'm pretty happy with it. It looks really good. You just got your positive and straight onto the battery, and then chuck your negative on, and over here you've got where you can put your winch control on there. It's got the synthetic rope, which is good, keep it lightweight on the front, because I've changed my coils in the front not too long ago, and I've got a bull bar on it now, so I need to try and keep it as light as I can. So over here we've got disengaged and engaged. Now I really like this because on my last winch it was like a turn dial and always used to get stuck, which was really annoying, so it'll be interesting to see how this one goes. So under the winch you've got your standard 4 holes for mounting it onto your bull bar. Unfortunately my bull bar that I have at the moment doesn't accommodate a winch, so we're going to adjust that so we can chuck this in, so stay tuned on the next episode for that one. Thanks for watching episode 3 of GQ Experience. If you guys have any questions about the winch at all, just drop them in the comments box below and I'll do my best to answer them. Stay tuned for episode 4 where I'll be modifying my bull bar to accommodate the winch and also hooking the winch up, and I'll give it a little bit of a test in the backyard to see how she goes. Give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching guys, bye.